8:40. I haven't started boiling the water for coffee yet also. Usually when I feed her in the kitchen, then while she's eating, I say to my coffee, since it looks like a beautiful day, as long as I can hear that bell, I know she's busy eating. I have no plans yet for today, but I must go to Lotus's, our Lotus's, the one in Sungai Dua. Let's go and get Ruth's eyeliner. Go and get her eyeliner because she's already given me money for it. So yeah, and buy eyeliner. Or should I just say out of stock? I cannot like cause she knows where. Had enough, baby. Had enough for now. Yeah. So we'll do that. Huh? Then there's something I wanted to tell you. I had this dream. So I got up at 7:44. Okay, she's safely down. I was riding along. It was I know it was a flyover, but I don't really know where. Then there was this container lorry in front of me, and long, And then I noticed it scraped the side, and it fell onto the other side, on its right side. Then it burst into flames. Other vehicles started to reverse. It was utter chaos. Then I woke up. Yeah, you're back here. It's not dry yet. Well, this side is dry. This side, I must change the side so let this side get the sun. Okay, I shall go and do that and have my coffee. I must clean her room, clean my room. Our room, I mean. Oh my God. She's fueled up. That's what tuna and chicken does to you. I need to fuel up as well. Excuse me while I go and have my coffee. Sounds like a yellow bird. You heard it too? It's really fast. Oh, so good. No. Okay, I stop first. I know there's a bird there. I know.